One of my Black Friday purchases came today. Thrill Seeker seat cover for my 2000 Honda Elite. So here we go. Thrill Seeker's cover is in. Well, that didn't work that well. Just trying not to show my address. Wow, it doesn't tear that easy. Sweet. I'll get this opened up with two hands. This is for the Honda Elite, the 2000 Honda Elite that I have, which fits a 94 to 01 Honda Elite. So I got this on their annual Black Friday sale, their biggest sale that they do. This is awesome. Dang. Yeah, I love the gripper seat material. Just showing the backing here. I just didn't see a lot of videos out there on the Honda Elite seats, and then now I'll install it and kind of show a little more what it looks like installed. All right, so not gonna lie, that was probably one of the harder installs I've done. Like that one was actually not that fun, but like this was worse because the way you like have to stretch it so far because you don't have the skinnier like dirt bike style seats, but it's on. Man, it looks great. Like it's, yeah, pretty happy with the way it turned out. It was just not a fun install. All right, and then I'll show you underneath. The only part that was a little difficult to staple was around here. I did have to pull this. I did have to pull this bolt, which there's a hole in the seat that it comes out of. Put 3 staples in underneath, and then that one's coming out, but these other 2 are in. And then put the screw back in, and roll the seat back over, and then do the rest of the seat. So, other than that. You know, it was awful, to be honest, but I mean, look at it. It's pretty cool. Turned out good. I got it nice and tight. There's still some, like, there's some stuff that like looks like imperfections in the video, but it looks good. It's perfect. And then like, it's weird how you kind of see the ribs, you know, but